If you're looking to make money online, I've got 8 websites that could help you earn up to $500 a day. These platforms range from simple tasks like playing games or taking surveys to more creative opportunities like selling art or tutoring online. First up is Amazon's shopping panel. This app lets you earn rewards by sharing your shopping habits and completing tasks like surveys or video reviews. It's an easy way to make extra cash without leaving your home. By engaging with the platform regularly, you can accumulate rewards over time. Next, there's Perion, a website where you can earn $25 per quick test by providing feedback on websites and apps. It's straightforward and can add up to $1,600 per month, making it a decent option for some extra income. Testers are often assigned various tasks that are quick to complete, allowing for flexibility and earning potential. Weeble and Moomoo are investment apps that give you free stocks just for signing up. While less active, they're great for building a passive income stream over time. You can earn dividends and potentially see your investment grow. These apps provide opportunities to learn about investing while earning rewards. CashKicks is perfect if you spend a lot of time on your phone. You can earn money by playing games, taking surveys, or trying new products. It's relatively easy to make around $200 a month with this app. The key is consistency and active participation in various earning activities offered by the platform. Merch on Demand is an Amazon service that lets you design and sell products like t-shirts or mugs. While it requires some creativity and effort to design appealing products, you can earn up to $10,000 a month with this platform. Sellers have the flexibility to set their prices and manage their product listings. PromptBase is an AI-driven site where you can sell prompts to various AI platforms. It's a newer opportunity with potential for substantial earnings if you're knowledgeable in AI. By providing prompts that enhance AI capabilities, you can tap into a growing market of AI developers and enthusiasts. Wizent allows you to tutor online and earn anywhere from $35 to $400 an hour depending on the subject. This is a more hands-on opportunity requiring teaching skills and subject expertise. It can be very lucrative for those with in-demand skills. Tutors have the flexibility to set their schedule and teach subjects they are passionate about. Finally, selling art using AI-generated designs on sites like Etsy can bring in $5,000 to $10,000 a month. This approach combines creativity with technology and can be highly profitable for artistic individuals. AI-generated art has a unique appeal and can attract buyers interested in innovative designs. Remember, success with these websites depends on your dedication and skills. If you're interested in making money online, consider exploring these platforms to find what works best for you. Each opportunity offers different ways to earn and requires varying levels of engagement, so choose based on your interests and goals. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.